Stream, 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 stream. Okay. Oh fuck, I didn't set the category right. Oh man. I can't believe it. Wait, what? Did I not set it? I swear I set it. 5. Wrong category. Hi Zane, welcome to stream. Unfortunate that you're the best. Congratulations, Zane, on claiming your rightfully earned, well-earned, hard-worked, hard-earned, speedy golden horse. Welcome to not the Nine Souls stream. Sorry about the incorrect title and category, but I fixed it. No, I didn't fix it. Well, I changed the title after we started. My bad. Yeah, I thought I wouldn't make that mistake again. I made it again. Okay, I won't lie. I have a checklist where I say all the things. Oh, you know what? What? I guess I'm just blind. Let me show you all this. Alright, before I do the welcomings, everyone, let me show you guys this real quick. Look at this right here. I have this go live checklist, all the things I gotta do before I go live. I just skipped this one for some reason. The one that says set the title category and go live notification. I just didn't do it this time. I don't know why. Anyways, that's why the title was wrong at the start of the stream. What's the point of a list if I'm not gonna do everything on the list? Alright. Anyways, we're not starting yet. We're not starting yet. Back to the starting screen. Welcome to stream, everybody. Good morning, everyone. Congrats to Xeon getting your golden horse. You're speedier than most. Welcome to stream Imperfect. Thanks for coming your 15th horse of the month. Welcome to stream Bailiff. Thanks for coming your 8th horse of the month. Welcome to stream Jazzcut. Jazzcut, did I not give you a 7TV email yet? Hey, we can do that right now. Welcome to stream. Thanks for coming your 10th horse of the month, Jazzcut. Welcome to stream Andrew. Thanks for coming your 13th horse of the month. I literally hit the redeem and it said it was unavailable. I typed unfortunate because I assumed somebody else got it. Checked again and claimed first. Let's fucking go. Maybe if you also have a checklist and it's still scuffed, that's just how it goes. Okay, but like, okay. Well, now that I am aware that I can kind of glaze over the checklist, I maybe should pay more attention when I do it this next time. Anyways, now the title is set. Um, Today was gonna be mostly just a Unity day, but I do want to try to fix the weekly horse redeem because it is broken right now. I don't know what's wrong with it. I've been glancing at it, it hasn't been working right. Nay! It's on my head! It's on my head! Ah, catch it! Hey, because you're becoming your 12th horse of the month. Alright, y'all. I said this in the Discord, but I'll say it here too. It's an embarrassing mistake. I will say that's my bad for making this mistake. I did, in fact, accidentally make it so that if you claim a weekly horse without the cooldown being ready, it'll add 1 to your counter of how many horses you have without actually giving you a horse. Where's my weekly horse? It's broken. We have to fix it. We have to fix it. Okay. Okay, let's get into this stream so we can actually start talking about what I'm talking about. Oops. Wrong order. There we go. Okay. Uh, where? Nope, not this one. Oh shit. I'm burning time here. I'm sorry. It's broken right now. Okay. Um. Oh, I should need to do my say-so check. If I do the say-so, the morning say-so check. Yes, yes, it's a good day today. All right, we can get things done. So yeah, before we get into Unity, I would like to try to fix the weekly horse. If we spend more than like 40 minutes on it, then I'm probably gonna give up on it and try again later. There's no Giga here. Don't be silly. Don't be ridiculous. Let's see. All right. A little bit of behind the scenes. Don't look too closely at it. You might get cursed. Holy sweet Jesus, Imperfect, you're so freaky today. Conk stats. You're in the wrong chat for that one, buddy. Imperfect bars? Alright, so let's look at the oh, it's so gross though. Let's look at the code. The code here is a little bit different than what's in the actual command because you have to make it work in this little test environment. But let's see. Um where you got? So the way this works is it'll split these. Okay, let me show the text documents. It changed. Wait, what? Really? How did it change? Shall I reload it? Left side changed. Alright, whatever. Yes? I don't know what happens. No, cancel, cancel, whatever. So this text document, let me just open the plain one. Weekly horse dates, okay? Wait, this is not be here. I didn't realize this edits it. Okay. So we have these dates here and the usernames. Every time, who the fuck is this? Oh, that's a test name. Every time we do the, oh, it's so small. Every time someone does the weekly horse command, no, the channel point redeem, it writes their name down and gives the date and time. Okay, that's how we have to keep track of the date so you can see how long it's been since you've done the command. For some reason, yesterday, when other people were doing their weekly horse thing, it changed my date here. I didn't do the weekly horse, so I need to understand why that happened. Um, I was looking at using WinMerge to go through this. Let's just so I did Control F, yesterday's date. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. According to this, 8 people did the weekly horse command. Oh no, sorry. 7 people did the weekly horse redeem, and it changed my date as well for my last time doing it, which is weird because I never do it. So I need to find out why that is. I also have, there's just 2 columns here because it's a before and after. We're trying to figure out if it's changing things without us realizing it. This one is the file itself. This one is just a copy and paste of it. So if we compare these, they should be the same. Reload, sure. Discard changes, okay. Oh, that did not do what I thought it would. Okay, whatever. What's going on here? Okay, compare. They're identical. Okay, that makes sense. Oops, wrong thing. This one. Or I guess more specifically this one. There's the code. So we get all the lines, go line by line, search line by line. For each line, check that it starts with username, which they all should. Username plus a space. For each line that has that condition, break it into 3 parts, okay? Which is the name, the date, and wait, name, date, and time, I think. Wait, no, break it into 2 parts, name and date and time. So now we check. Wait, what? Oh, what is name, date, and time? Okay, date and time are 2 separate things. So we take the date part, which is this part of the string, the line. If the date time, what does it say? If date try parse date part last used. Basically it just says if the time between now and the last time you used is less than, oh, this should not be 5, but this is not the actual code. Less than the cooldown time, then you can't parse it, then you can't claim your horse. Okay, that makes sense. Otherwise, so if the time is longer than the cooldown time, it should work. Console write line. No, file.write all lines. What? All lines? Is that wrong? Should not be. What do I have in here? Read all lines, write all lines. That I'm not super familiar with C sharp, so I need to double check this. File.write all lines. File path lines. What's file path? Wait, lines is, if it's going line by line. Wait, no. It's an array of strings called lines. A single line. So lines is the array. Yeah, write all lines file path. I think this is wrong. Is it wrong? Okay, let's check my code and mix it up now. So I hate this part. I thought I had it working. I tested it, it worked, and it stopped working. I don't find out what's broken about it. It's so AIDS. It's not fresh in my mind anymore. Okay, I'll say our time limit is 11 a.m. After that, we're working on the overlay. Update the new line, the timestamp. Wait, lines I equals new entry. We'll figure this out. Let's try to find the error in this. No, not error, but the thing causing unintentional changes. Coding is so annoying sometimes. Okay, we're gonna ask ChatGPT a little bit of stuff. I try not to be too dependent on ChatGPT with my coding, but in this case, I'm not really sure what's going on. Metra, welcome to the stream. Thank you for coming your 11th horse of the month. We are trying to fix the weekly horse redeem right now before we get into overlay development. Let's see. If Mixitup failed to replace the username, the $sign username with the actual username before running the script, then every call would be using the literal string username. Oh shit. You just read the vault message, you're angry all over again. Zaina, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I tried to keep the Saturday streams a surprise, but I forgot that you cared about that one in particular. That's my bad. That's on me. You got me. You got me. I'm sorry. Let's look at this code. Wait, script. Weekly horse. I don't think that could happen, could it? This is literally just a channel point redeem, I think, right? Timon redeem. Weekly horse. He runs this script. The script will give a result, and then we just say, was it 1, 2, or 3? A bit jank, but it's the simplest way I can think to do it. Okay, so case one. Wait, where's one? One is down here. If the username wasn't found, append all text. Case two is the cooldown is complete. Write all lines, file path lines. Case O. No, not case O. I also got Ritz crackers because I'm hungry. Oh shit. Welcome to Stream Guy. Thanks for coming your 14th horse of the month. Welcome to our progression session. Are these the same crackers from last stream? Well, I mean, it's the same type of crackers. They're Ritz crackers, but it's a different pack. There's like what, like 20 crackers in each of these bags. I just got another one. The horse claim doesn't have it does have a sound effect now. Yeah. How did I miss this? I added it yesterday. Or maybe he didn't have sound on. Or maybe you thought it was part of the game. Yeah, welcome to stream, guy. We're trying to fix the weekly horse redeem because for some reason it's not working. What's going on here? Oh, don't look at that. Alright. What's going on here? If two people run the command at the same time, both read the original file but modify their own. Both call file write all lines almost simultaneously. Whichever one finishes last will overwrite the other person's update because he's using the older snapshot of the file. Interesting. Oh, I didn't even consider that. Welcome to streaming Finstra. Thanks for coming your 11th. Thanks for coming your 11th horse of the month. Say so check. Oh baby, 73% stable, 42% freak. Thank you for upholding a good standard in Finstra. And Andrew, very safe today, but also very freaky. Silksong will get delayed. Hi, Shar. I I don't see how that's relevant to the progression session. We're not even talking about Silksong here. Whoa, guy, perfectly balanced today. Congratulations. What are the odds of that? What is that, like a fucking? Wait, what's the math there? Is it? Wait, is that one? Wait, that's not 1% chances. No, that's like 100 times 100, right? I think. Isn't it the stream title? Is the stream title still wrong? Oh shit, did it not update? Let me see. I should have updated it. Okay, yeah. Well, I mean, to be fair, uh, if you're looking at the stream notifications channel, I did start the stream with the wrong title, so maybe you're talking about that. Yeah, yeah. Amateur streamer, I'll admit it. I made a mistake. Oh goodness gracious. Guy, you're so say so. You're so say so. You don't want to admit it, but I know it's true. Okay, let's figure this out. This number is the number of seconds in the cooldown. We have write all lines. Update the new line. Lines, index, new entry. Is this doing like it's saying that the line that we're changing equals the thing that we're changing it to. Wait, where's new entry? Look at the cleaner code. New entry. Oh, you just write that entry at the very top. I forgot about that. Okay, bye work time. Thanks for dropping by, Shar. Hope you have a good work session. Ooh. So we always write an entry no matter what. Okay, let me just double check this is how the code works. Is the file.write all lines just updating one line if it works properly? You better drink this monster for the first time ever in my life? Like, you've never had a Monster Energy drink before? Or are you saying like it's a certain flavor you've never had before? It's guava flavored, and I'll let you know if my heart doesn't explode. Can you also tell me if your heart does explode? String, wait. Rewrites all lines. Okay, so this is working fine. Tomorrow I'll make my day horrible, like an absolute hell. What do you mean by that, guy? What are you doing tomorrow? Is this a choice? Or is he just going through a lot tomorrow? Have you ever had any energy drinks before? Oh, that's right, Andrew. Ooh. Surely you've had energy drinks before, right? Maybe not. You're the type who like wakes up at weird times. Hi, it's me. I'm the monster. Ah, ah. Okay, I'm just gonna. Lord, please forgive me. I'm gonna cheat. Uh, Here's what we're gonna do. Gonna go into mix it up and see what happens. Actually, wait a second. What I need is another Twitch account that I can test this easily on. Where's my phone? Oh, goodness gracious. Actually, I guess I could just use my own. I'll do that instead. My own account. I forgot that I could do that. I'll from base to home. Wait. Then pick up my PC. 4-hour drive and back 4 hours. Oh, goodness gracious. He lives in the car. From base to my house, 3 hour. Base to home and back. Base to house. Wait, how is it? I'm confused. How is there 3 steps in this? Base to home, pick up PC, 4-hour drive, and back, 4-hour drive. Base to home is 3 hours. Is your PC not at home? Or am I just misunderstanding this? Well, regardless, you're driving quite a far distance, and that's. I wish you luck on that. I've never really done a super long drive before. It stresses me out. Monster's not that bad compared to other energy drinks. Oh, building a new PC. I see, I see. What do you plan on doing with that new PC? I'm curious. It's always exciting getting an upgrade. Or I guess ordered new parts, I see. Is this like upgrading or is this like I guess you still call it building, huh? Like last time I upgraded my PC, there's so many parts changed that it was almost an entirely new PC. It's like I basically called it building a PC, even though it was technically an upgrade. But if you gotta upgrade the motherboard for something, that's basically a new PC. I'll first stream myself building it. Oh baby, let's go. You got people in chat, then they can fucking backseat you and you can ban them. I know what I'm doing. Okay, I forgot. Oh, here's what I was doing. Go to users. No, no, not user information. Just look at my text document. Anthony Mois. Let's just replace this with dummy info. Okay. My weekly has been changed to a long time ago. I'm a professional backseater if you need one on weekly. Ready to claim my weekly. Weekly again. Now there's the weird thing. What happened there? Is this the problem? Does it... It looks like what's happening is if I do the weekly command, it sets my weekly horse redeem timer off. This didn't happen before, did it? Yeah, anytime you have to redo the motherboard, may as well start from scratch. Exactly, exactly. Well, it feels like a new journey. What's the same in my old from my old PC? Like the hard drive, the power supply, and the case. If you count that, it's basically a new PC. Not even the same RAM because I upgraded my motherboard. Oh, I just realized you said there's nothing to upgrade. Just swap everything out. Yeah, you basically just it's just a new PC like you said. You can feel the monster. I don't want to order a white monster. Huh? What now? Huh? Okay, I think the weekly horse redeem itself is fine. The problem, if it's only the command that's the problem, it might be a lot easier to fix than I thought. Commands, weekly. Okay, return, ready to claim. Yellow monster for a yellow monster, you know what I'm saying? Disgusting! What the fuck? Okay, this one is the weekly command. This is the only line that writes something. White monster in a gas station hot dog. Keeping contractors fed for years. Oh baby. Let's fucking go. I can go for a fucking cheap ass hot dog. It's been a while since I've got one from Costco. What is... This is the only thing that updates here, right? It's an else. Else to this if. Let's get rid of this line. I don't like it. Wait, what the fuck? That's not right. Right? That's not... This shouldn't even be here, should it? If the cooldown is not finished, this shouldn't be here, I think. Let's just run through the logic. Let's run through the logic. Uh, break the line into its parts. Get the username and the date time. Extrapolate the last time you used, which is just the date time. The time since you've done it is going to be last time used. Wait, it's the time of now minus last time you used. It'll give you a time in seconds. If the number of seconds is less than the cooldown, wait, no. Wait, what? What am I doing? Time last used. Time since last used. Okay. Oh, thank you for the follow. What how do you say that name? Sorry if I pronounce this wrong. Prakhar Kapoor. Sounds like a ligma, not gonna lie. If you got me, then you got me. But if that's just your name, I'm sorry if I butchered it. We're currently trying to fix our code here for one of our redeems. I think I found the problem. Prakhar Kapoor. Gotcha, gotcha. Well, if I'm still not super familiar with these pronunciations, but let me know if I got it wrong. I'll try to correct myself. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for the follow. Uh, So I'm pretty sure the issue is that we should not have a right here. I don't know how I haven't noticed this. What's happening just spawned in. Let me let you know. We got some silly things going on on this Twitch channel. Our We like to have our horse redeems, which is the daily redeem of this channel. You can claim a horse once per stream, and we thought that was pretty fun. And we also made another system, which is the weekly horse. Once per week, roughly once per week, you can claim a horse that's from a different pool of horses, and we keep track of it. It's like a little collection you build up. And we noticed that the weekly horse routine was broken last stream. Uh, Also, thanks for the lurkies, guy. Hope you're having a good day. Thanks for dropping by and thanks for sticking around as long as you did. So, the error with this code, we should not have this line here, which is basically saying if your cooldown is ready to claim your weekly horse, uh, reset the cooldown for some reason, and then that means you're no longer able to use it. So let's just remove that line, see if that fixes it. Uh, that is right here. Wait, which one is this? Exclamation mark weekly. Get rid of this. Oops, that was one too many lines. Oops. Return username plus is ready to claim weekly horse. Yeah, it should do nothing basically. I don't know why I didn't notice it was broken before. Also, if it's been broken this whole time, how did I not notice? So if I do weekly, it'll say my cooldown is 110 hours left. Balulu, welcome to stream. Nice to claiming your your 13th horse of the month. Welcome, welcome. Balulu, we're almost finished fixing the weekly horse. I think it should work now, actually. So let's once again set my time to a previous time. Save that. Overwrite, yes. No, what the fuck are you doing? Did that update it? Okay, it did. How do you do things running in the background, like names of live watchers down there? Oh, that's a program. It's a thing on Steam actually. It's what is it, like $15 or so? I got it for $5 on sale, I think. It's called Stream Avatars. I can show that right now too. This one right here, Stream Avatars. How much does it cost? $15. It goes on sale pretty cheap from time to time. It's you hook it up to your Twitch account, and then it'll give you a transparent video source. I think it's to do some other settings to make it transparent, and then it'll put your little guys at the bottom of the screen. Uh, it has some default avatars, and also it has workshop support, so you can have little custom avatars. I just downloaded a few mods. I got Pikmin, I got Among Us. There might be another thing in there too, but there's just a few of them. Like you see here, you can make them little Toho characters, little Nessies, Kirby characters, Ninja Turtles, a bunch of other things. There's also Pokemon I've seen, Monster Hunter stuff. There's a lot of them. My Little Pony, if you want, if you're into that. Yeah, it's just a cute little program, Stream Avatars. You can also make them so like by default, when you type in chat, they'll say something like it'll appear above their head in a little speech bubble. But I found that it's a bit too much visual information for my likings, so I just have them walk around. You can also do like random stuff like you type exclamation mark bomb, they'll drop a little bomb, and it'll blow them up. There's other silly stuff too. Excuse me. There's some other silly stuff too, like you can do exclamation mark attack at somebody, like I'll fucking attack Chili right here. My little guy at the bottom gonna run over and punch him. Give us one where we turn into different homunculi. What do you mean? What do you mean different homunculi? Oh, you mean like workshops avatars? I don't really want to. I don't want to give you guys too many options. You'll have too much fun with that. I think if you're watching on desktop, if you scroll to the bottom of the screen, the bottom of the stream, there should be a little UI where you can do some little controls or set your own avatar. What am I looking at here? This is the wrong thing. That's my YouTube. Uh, Let me open my own stream for it real quick. Here's my stream. I think you scroll down here. this thing. Uh, I don't know why it's not showing for me right now. Oh, there we go. You can change what you look like. There's all the default avatars. Did I just change myself? I hope it didn't apply. Oh, it did change me. Oh shit. Alright. Rock Pikmin, there we go. Have you not added horses to the stream avatars yet? I've thought about it actually. It's just as fun as an idea as it sounds, uh for me to make it in a way that I would be satisfied with, there'd have to be a lot of different horses. And that is like a lot of effort that I'm not ready to start committing yet. So I just leave it as it is for now. And also, I'm not sure if I want to keep stream avatars forever. I might get rid of it at some point or replace it with something else. So it's not a high priority to develop it further at the moment. Maybe eventually though. Anyways, let's not stay distracted for too long. I'm always willing to explain what's going on the stream, but we still have our tasks to do today. You think of the horse race horses? Oh, it's so true. Oh my god. I'm sure somebody's added that already. At the very least, I can probably look for that and add it. Oh, also, good point, yeah, Zane. We aren't the horses. We collect the horses, okay? We're some simple farmers getting some work done. So, did I fix this yet? Weekly. Ready to claim my weekly horse. Still ready, ready, ready. Okay. Now, if I do... I'm gonna re-enable the weekly horse. Let's see if it works. Wait, also, wait. I need to fix everybody who got scammed. Uh, it was Imperfect, Aki, Silver, Jaska, Balulu, Jacob, and Metra. We're gonna just do it a little silly. Okay, we're just gonna change your dates to way before. It doesn't matter what the date was as long as it's within the cooldown or past the cooldown. Wait, actually, Jaska, you got your horse. You don't get. You thought. I almost forgot. Jaska, you fucking goober. You Jaska was the only person who got their weekly horse last time after because they didn't fucking do it in the way that breaks it. There we go. Copy all that. I can close this now. There we go. Save that. Close that out. Weekly horse is now enabled. I got scammed? What do you mean? Wait, I fixed yours, right? Yeah, I did. Now, if we do the weekly horse redeem, it should be working. There we go. And if I do it again, it should not work, right? I do exclamation mark weekly. The cooldown is 111 hours. Okay. I think it's working now. I guess it should be good then. Y'all can claim your weekly horses if you want. Let's go ahead and add that to the fucking Anthony Mall's offline. God damn it. Where's my phone? Are you fucking kidding me, dude? I'm not glazing shit. You'll deserve that. Well, reluctantly, I must say, congratulations, Andrew, for getting the midstream golden horse. You're so cringe, you know that? Oh, welcome back to stream, Balulu. Welcome back to stream, Zane. Chili earned that shit. It's so cringe. Yeah, Imperfect's gonna be the biggest advocate for midstream golden horse because most of Imperfect's golden horses are from midstream. All right, laugh it up all you want, chat. Y'all get your extra horses. Oh, Blue, you got the. Wait, what happened? Yeah, Blue, you come to Tetsuo horse. Yeah, there it is. Congratulations. Can we kill this man? All your golden horses from midstream? Oh, you don't have a single one from the beginning? That's really funny. Alright, welcome back everyone to your to the stream. Thanks for claiming your midstream secondary horses. I don't even want to congratulate y'all. It's so cringe. We trade one life for another. We have to kill the stream to revive the weekly horse. Oh, interesting. The say so check only. Ooh, I didn't realize it only does it. It doesn't count for. Oh yeah, it's because Mix It Up has to recognize the restart. That's right. Yeah. Okay. That reminds me though, we do have to make it so that the it's add a task right here. Say so command repeats uh stats or score on repeat use. I think we can do that really quickly. If this takes more than like 10 minutes, we're gonna move on though. Wow, 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 wow. Command, say so command, edit, condition. What do you want the message to be? Be like, let's be like username. Uh, already saw earlier. That's there. Dude Bringer X, thank you so much for the follow. Haven't you? I thought you're already following me, but I appreciate you for following it out. There's no late or early time to follow. I appreciate you for supporting the stream. Welcome in, welcome in. We are currently fixing some of our commands. Also, yo, I must say, for people in the situation such as yourself, which I don't know if how freely I can express this, would you prefer if I called you by the name I know you by, or your username? It is up to you. If you don't say anything, I'll just say I'll just keep calling you what I called you. A dude and Anthony crossover would do karaoke. I'm a bit shy to do karaoke. Minori's always ask me if I want to do karaoke, and I'm like, I don't know. I'm a bit shy. But yeah, dude bringer. Many of my friends who are like friends that I know who show up to the stream, I call them by their name. So if you have a preference one way or the other, go ahead and let me know. We are currently changing our bit of our commands. My name is fine. All right, welcome to stream long. Good to see you. Yo, long, if you ever show up again, I'll go ahead and give you a 7TV emote. Most people here when they use commands or channel point redeems, their name shows up, but not their name. It's like I replace the name with the emote. What? Anthony Wall's now live. It's a bit late for that, isn't it? Okay, so we want this to say username already rolled earlier. They are. That's not. Wait, is this stream? Oh, this is stream elements. They're just late to it. Is it up here? We can just copy and paste this, right? Copy this. I don't need to add the part that checks how like what their score is. It just has to say the numbers. I feel like I shouldn't say they already rolled earlier. What's a better way to put this? Like, I'll say is double checking. That's a nice way to put it, right? Let's save this. Now, if I do my say so check again, Anthony is double checking that they are in fact 28% say so. If it's wait, what? No, that's not right. That's not right. Oh shoot, it didn't save the value, huh? I forgot about that. That's my bad. Let me fix that. Wait, can I even save it through this? This might be more complicated than I thought. Yeah, I don't want it to repeat the randomizer. No, 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 no. That's not real. That's not real. At the very least, it's not gonna update the numbers or anything. Ad break. Oh shoot. Well, we're just gonna keep going. There's nothing interesting to pause for here. No, this doesn't update your numbers now. Unlimited say-so rolls. I mean, technically, but it's not gonna update your numbers at all. We just had to. Oh, this is annoying. I know how to fix this. It's just kind of a process. Okay, what we need to do is in our stream files. What is this? Delete this. Weekly horse dates. We need to have a new file called daily say-so values. Um, Actually, is this how we want to do? No, we don't have to do this. This is way more effort than I thought. Okay, no. Let's just do this instead. We will go to the currencies. We will do inventory. No, no. Globals? We'll call it current say so and current freak. Close that. Actually, yeah, that's fine. Now we go to the commands. We have open there. I forget the syntax, so we're gonna have to figure this out. Okay. So the condition on the condition that you haven't done your say so check yet, I will set close these counters, consumables. We should duplicate these to make it easier. Copy, copy. Hello, please click and drag. Alright, fine. Wait, no. I can do this. I can do this. Move it up. Up. One down. Up, up, up. Your globals, uh, add to user, subtract. Add to user. Wait, where is it? It's in globals, right? Oh, did I not? I didn't save, didn't I? Shoot. Globals? Yeah, I didn't. Current, say so. Add item. Current. Freak. Add item. Save. It's still not showing up. Current, say so. Current freak. Say so percent. And then in the bottom down here, it's not gonna be say so percent. It's gonna be user globals current say so, and then current freak. I think that should be good. We save that, and now in events, Twitch, channel startup, uh, consumables, action counter resets. We also need to reset for all users, globals. Whoa, wait. Oh shoot. Can we not reset that individually? Dang, I guess you can't reset a single part of an inventory. Um, that's annoying. Okay, let's delete this line. Let's close this. We have to change that then. I guess I can put it in action counter? Yeah, I'll put it in here instead. Current say so, add current freak. Wait, do I want this in here? Yeah, this is fine. I feel like the naming's not the best, but it'll be fine. I can leave it as this. I was knowing in my head that action counter means that it resets at the start of the stream. If I want something that persists, I'll make a new one. Current say so, current freak, save, globals. Let's delete this, save. Go to our, oops, where'd it go? Did I close it? Go to our commands, say so command. In our second condition, I will say user, not globals, but action counter. Was that right? Go to this one. Yeah, all lowercase, okay. Action counter, minimize that. Conditional, no, the first condition. That should work. Let's save this. I think if I do this again, it's gonna say 0%. Yeah. So if I reset my thing, users, Anthony Moi, actions, go to action counter, say so command uses, set it to 0. Close that. Say so. 60% say so, 58% freak, very even, nice. Do it again. Double checking, they are in fact 60% say so, 58% freak. Nice. Okay, we got that done. Now it'll repeat your numbers if you do it again. Well, Zane, you borked it you because you kept doing. I'm not gonna reset your thing for you. It'll work next stream. No, oh my God. Do you wanna see it that bad? Okay, how about this? How about this? We'll do a stream say so check. We'll remember that, and we will go to channel. No, events. Oh, I was about to reset the number, but I guess you just did it. Okay, okay, let's go to here and reset the counter. And now, because I'm so generous, you all should be able to do your say so checks again. Say so? No, what have I done? I made myself a freak today. And if you do it again, it should now say you're repeating the thing and got the same value. Yeah. There we go. All is as expected. Now, if you all care about the integrity of the say so stats, I'm afraid that it might be out the window if you guys keep doing multiple on the same day. Say so stats. Every time I test these things on stream, the freak value goes up. 69. Oh my god, 69.6% freak. I just realized, for me, the fuck, I've rolled 28 times. I don't think I've even had this for 28 days. Alright, now I keep saying it, but we really gotta get back on track now. Give me a second, checking my pings. What the hell? Okay, since I talked about Costco, you're hungry now. But remember, I'm starving myself. Why are you starving yourself? Indulge in the Costco temptation, as long as you're planned meal today. Because you said you like us enjoying us. Oh yeah, and I hate you. No, no, no. You're all supposed to eat food. It's part of the rules. I should write a rule on my server. No, no starving yourself to death. Near death is allowed, but to death is banned. Oh god, dried crackers in my throat. I should find better snacks, but I don't know where the Funyuns went. Well, I say better. It's probably also not the best for me. All right, let's open up our Unity project. It's still open. I actually never closed this from last week. Go with some bacon toast right now. Oh hell yeah. Ooh. I don't have very many hearty sandwiches. Usually mine are more like snack based. Brother said better snacks and said where the Funyuns at. I meant better tasting, not better for me. I have no bacon. God damn. I guess you just have to eat the bread by itself. Or if you're feeling feisty, you can toast the bread and put a single slice of American cheese in between them. Alright, so we have this animated texture. No? Why not? Get it get out of here. It's something I need to test. I did a little bit of work on this, not too much. I want to see if I have a source in OBS that's like off screen. Will this still work? We're gonna let's do this. Add a source. Let's just open up MS Paint. This will be our chat scapegoat. Wait, can you make this animated? I guess it should be animated if you want to test this actually. MS Paint's not the right option. Let's do this instead. Oops. Oh yeah. Alright. I moved to the basement and my Wi-Fi speed went from 800 megabytes per second to like 10. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. I wish you the best, Andrew. I don't know if you can I don't. Do you feel limited? Do you feel like you're slower, or do you think things are not too bad? Alright, we'll have this right here for now. Take a look at Baldi. He's having a good time. This will be our animated reference point. I'm fucking cutting holes in the wall. I'm running a cable. Oh, dude. I hope it works out. You gotta have like the world's longest cable going from the bottom of the house to the top. Baldi. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. Let's move him off screen. We're gonna add a source. Um, does browser source work? Let's see if browser source works. If browser source doesn't work, we'll just do a window capture. Oh, it does work. Cool. Alright. We'll put that right there. If we put this off screen, if you minimize this, does it still work? Oh, it does. Okay. So, let's go to Unity. Let's put Baldi over here. Yep. That's how it goes. Mm-hmm. Oh, shit. Am I live right now? I can't tell. Refresh. Refresh, refresh. It says live, but it also says I can't refresh my stream. Oh, God, this sucks. You shouldn't get two in a day. Well, congratulations once again, Andrew, for being speedier than most. I fucking hate it here. How about that? That's crazy how y'all get what is it 17 horses in a month, but I've only streamed like 4 times this month. uh, it is what it is. Y'all are horse farming me. Congratulations. I'm gonna have to tell the Huz that I might not have the internet to play today. I'm gonna go ahead and message them real quick. You're so mean. Why would you say that? What do you mean? Why would I say you deserve your second golden fucking horse? It's because you're stupid and I hate you. How about that? Oh God. Even this stream has a bunch of dropped frames. Okay, y'all. If stream dies one more time, I'm just gonna end stream. It's not working out today. I will still be trying to work on this overlay though, because I really want to get this progressed. See, we have Baldi dancing on the screen. This is where we're at right now. What I need to test is I need to make a texture and a material. Can I just copy and paste these? Did I paste twice? What just happened? I didn't. Okay. Rename. We'll call this the Baldi material. NDI Baldi material. Naming conventions, of course. NDI. Welcome back to stream Andrew, welcome back to stream Zane, welcome back to stream Mecha. And Mecha, thank you for claiming your weekly horse. You claimed the Valorant horse. Congratulations. Now we're getting them back. Getting what back? Oh, you misclicked it. Can I get Can I get my 222 points back? Did you misclick? Let me see. Where? Oh, your weekly horse is still sleeping. You're right, you did. Okay. Yeah, you know what? I'll go ahead and refund you, don't worry. It's just a simple 200 channel points. It's nothing, no problem to give back to the community. Reject that one. There's your points back, buddy. Okay. Can I zoom in on this? I guess not. The Baldi material. Let's copy this. Rename it to NDI Baldi. I don't really know what the naming conventions I should do for these are. Material, select NDI Baldi, and on the NDI Texture Manager, you need to add a receiver. The name is, where is it? Why don't I see it? Anthony, if I got the golden horse on the original stream, it would have been a legendary golden horse hat trick. Well, I'm very glad you didn't get it. Fucking, you had too many of those damn things. I'm gonna turn them into butter. I'm sorry, I should not be wishing for harm upon a horse. Don't blame the horse. Hey, blame the owner. Blame the trainer, the farmer, the cowboy. Baldi filters. NDI name Baldi. Apply changes. That's apply? Are you serious? I do have to apply it. Interesting. Okay. That's a Gold Eagles butter reference. Shout out to a certain somebody who might be controversial. Let's not go further than that. Dude, 26% dropped frames. You don't like to see that on my stream. I wonder what that means. Is that like a large chunk of frames at the same time, or is it like consistently choppy and laggy right now? Okay. Let's make a thing. Add a 2D object. Actually, make a sphere. Let's give this sphere the Baldi material. Okay, that's doing nothing. Why is that doing nothing? I'm glad I robbed Andrew of the hat trick because that motherfucker would not shut up about it for days. Consistently chopping and laggy. Okay, that's unfortunate. Yeah, we're probably gonna end stream soon then. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But before we end stream, let's see if we can get this working. Baldi material. Baldi texture. Why is this blank? Oh, target texture. I didn't target anything. Look at him. There he is. That's awesome. Why is it so funny to me? Okay, now we need to test our theory. If we hide the source, what happens? Interesting, he freezes. If we show it, make it show up again, now he's dancing again. So instead of hiding it, if we put it off screen, what happens? Interesting. Oops. So we can still have it on the scene but hidden. Oops. If we just move it out of the way, it's fine. Interesting, okay. I guess that's fine. Is there a way to just like... Actually, let me try this. Now it's back on screen, right? Yeah. Can I like filters? Um, effect filters. Chroma key. What's this gonna do? Oh God. Okay, so I can apply OBS filters and it'll adjust him. That's kind of cool. You all can't see what I'm doing on the OBS side right now. I guess I could just show it like this, huh? Let's remove this chroma key. Actually, wait, what if I do this? Um, I don't really know what this is doing. I don't remember what chroma key means. What matters is that we can do this, right? Wait, this is actually gonna make it invisible, isn't it? Yeah, that's not what I want. Okay, oops, let's remove that filter then. So filters that apply the source itself are sent out in the NDI texture. So what I'm wondering then, can I make it so that wait, if I just run this, chroma key is isolating a color and replacing it. It's what green screen uses. Okay, okay. Wait, right there, it was replacing the green on the shirt with black, I think. So if I run this, I think I can update this in real time. Filters. If you chroma key white, it should get rid of the white background. Gotcha. That's not what I'm trying to do right now, though. I'm just testing things out. I was trying to see if there's a way to hide this on the overlay, but like have it still project out. I have to click on this, don't I? If I tab out, it's not gonna do anything. Dang. Okay. Is there a way to make this run while I'm not like tabbed into it? Oh, why is the resolution so low? What the fuck? I'll figure that out later. It'll look funny though. Yeah, I'll take care of it. I'll try something like that at some point. There's like options for sending over alpha values. Um, I'm not sure if that's gonna make a transparent texture or something, but we'll look into it at some point. But it's not a priority right now. Uh, I'm just trying to see if I can hide it on OBS without the texture stop being sent. Because I can move it off screen. Like I guess this is gonna be trippy. I think if I show this. Yeah, here's the stream. Here's Valdi. If I move him off screen, you can't see him anymore, but the texture is still being sent over, so you can see him dancing here. But obviously, that makes it kind of hard for me to edit it. I'd prefer if I could just like see him, make changes to it, and then have changes be sent over without you seeing him in the corner right here. Um, I guess I just have to learn more about how OBS works and how to use it. Okay, let me see if ChatGPT has any answers for me. Ugh. If I use, oops. I mean, there's an off-camera area, but what I see in the OBS preview is what you guys see. Uh, Actually, is there a way to set up a frame that you guys only see what's in the frame? I am using OBS to send NDI. See filters. If I hide the video source, the NDI stops sending to Unity. but if I move it off screen, it will still send to Unity. Is there a way to have it hidden from my stream but still visible so I can edit it? Such that it will still send the NDI to Unity. Oh, okay. Hiding a source in OBS stops rendering it, so the NDI filter outputs nothing. Moving it off screen or copying it keeps it rendered, so NDI keeps sending it. Okay, that's what I know so far. Use a separate scene. Interesting. Wait. Can I look at a second scene without changing scenes? Actually, I should try this. Hold on. This is gonna get really jank. The stream is about to become a whole lot of nothing. Give me 1 second. Let's make a new scene. Oh god, it's all black. Eternal darkness. Let's copy some things over. Actually, hold on. I can like copy. Wait, no. It's all dark. Eternal darkness. The darkness. Okay, copy this. Put it over here. Paste it here. My eyes. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All there is only Baldi. There's only Baldi. Okay. Wait. Actually, can you still hear me while I switch scenes? The world went dark. Oh! I'm gonna assume you can still hear me, but I'm not actually sure. Wait. Let me see. Mic audio. Okay. I think the music stops though. I'm not actually sure. So if we delete Baldi from here, like does the music still play while we're in here because the audio source is no longer there? Baldi. Nothing but Baldi and Anthony commentary might be fire. This is not what the stream is gonna become. We're just testing things out. Okay, so the idea is we have Baldi in here, this blank room. What music? Wait, do you not hear the music at all? Like when I'm in this scene. Mic audio. Wait, is it not? What the fuck? I've been in the silence this whole time? Dude, it even says it has the right source. What do you mean there's no music? There hasn't been. Well, that's my bad. Sorry, y'all. I've been listening to music the whole time. I think it's just broken. Okay. Well, at this point, I might as well mute Spirit City. I'll put on my own music then. Your mic is muted? No, it's not. You liar. You know what we do to liars? We eat them. We eat them. It's welcome to stream in Finstra. Uh, this is I think the third stream of the day because it's everything's broken. Give me some music. Come on. Don't listen to Zane about mic issues ever. That's what I'm saying. I'll be in Discord and be like, I can't hear you, Anthony. I'm like, are you serious? Everything looks fine to me. He's like, I got you good. I'll kill you. I'll kill you. Alright, so I need to see. The audio source is tied to this scene. So if I switch scenes, you hear the music now, right? So if I switch to this scene, where it's just Baldi, does the music go away? I think it does. I think that's how scenes work. If the audio source isn't brought over, you can't hear it. It goes away? Okay, okay. Good to know. Um, so let's look at Unity now. If I'm on a different scene, oh, interesting. Yeah, Baldi only gets updated while the Baldi scene is open. So it does not, I guess it makes sense. It's not going to be rendered if it's on a different scene. ChatGPT just lied, that's not a real thing. It's too loud. Oh, okay. There's got to be a better way to do this, right? Because it's annoying that I have to use OBS to do this when I'm using OBS to stream. Is there another tool I can use? Or can I open multiple instances of OBS? Launch anyways? Wait. OBS is already running. Unless you meant to do this, please shut down any existing instances of OBS before trying to run a new instance. If you haven't, uh, what happens if I do this? Y'all, we're gonna get experimental. If stream dies, okay? Launch anyways. Anthony listens to music made by a controversial figure. Have you seen what he's posted on Twitter? That's not him. Toby Fox is not Toby Turner. Okay. Oh, interesting. Refresh? Darkness. Nothing but Baldi. Hide him. Go back here. Refresh. I don't understand. How do I make this take priority? I know OBS clearly is not made to handle multiple instances of itself running, but if I can get away with it, that'd be really useful. God, this is annoying. Um, Filters, properties. Baldi says, "Fuck, he is. Come back." What if I do this? Let's copy this link, make a new source. No, not application. New browser capture called, it's called Baldi2. I spelled it wrong, but it doesn't matter. It's not working. Maybe it's just broken because you can't have two OBS things open. I don't know. Alright, let's close this. What is this clip you sent me, Andrew? This is not closing. Close? Hello? I can't close it. We just have a cursed OBS window open now that won't go away. Let's just minimize it. Look at him. Look at this guy. Um, okay, let's see what else ChatGPT has to say, just in case it doesn't make anything else up. Run a second instance of OBS. That's what it's telling me to do. The thing I just tried. Enable in settings, general, enable studio mode, launch OBS as new instance. Interesting, interesting. more I think about this, the more scuffed this stream kind of feels, but it's not gonna be scuffed forever. We just gotta figure it out. Add a filter to prevent on-stream output. Scuff streams are normal though? That's not true. That's not true. You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. Stop. Stop. You're wrong. Okay. Let's see. It says apply opacity or scaling filters. There's some other things I want to try. Let's get Baldi back in here. Let's copy Baldi, bring him over here. Big dog. I was yeah. Sorry, I'm messing with scenes right now. So like, I just have a empty scene with just a picture, a GIF of Baldi dancing in there. The Baldi animations are killing me. You know, I don't blame you for thinking that, Tristan, because stream did end twice earlier from internet connection issues. Okay, so we have this Baldi GIF dancing right here. What are we doing now? If we let's zoom in on this ball, this Baldi ball. Oh my God, B&D King, welcome to stream. Thank you for the for continuing your sub for the 6th month in a row. Oh my goodness gracious! Thank you for supporting the stream for so long. Damn, it's been a long time, huh? Haven't really been. I guess I haven't been an affiliate for that long. Damn, what am I doing? Even one of my longest subs. Why is Baldi Fortnite? Well, what we're doing here is let's move this out of the way. We are working on the stream overlay, which is going to be built in Unity. And what I'm testing right now is taking OBS sources. I can show OBS right now. It's probably fine. Here we go. Here's the OBS window. Oh, that's so small. And we have Baldi as a source in OBS. He's just a GIF that's looping. And OBS is, if I go to filters, I have this effect filter, which is a NDI, which I forget what that stands for. It's like network something something. But it's basically sending this text, this video feed to Unity as a texture. So now we can have an OBS source in Unity. I wrapped it onto the sphere just to see what it looks like. And we're trying to see how we can like manipulate and modify texture video feeds in OBS in a way that will show up in Unity in a way that stream doesn't have to see. Because like if I'm fiddling stuff like right now, I have Baldi on the stream. He's in the middle of the screen. Like I want it to be able to oops, click on him, click on him. I want to be able to like modify this without it showing up on the screen. Like if I put him off screen, he'll still be dancing in Unity. But now if he's off screen on OBS, I can't see him, so I can't like modify him, you know? So I'm trying to see if there's like some middle ground where I can mess with him without you guys seeing it. Let's put him up here for now. Actually, if I shrink him, what happens? What if I make bigger and smaller? So I can shrink him. Oops. Oops. Come on now, grab him. I can scale him around and he'll still be the same texture-wise because the video feed is not the texture itself. Interesting. And resizing it doesn't change the resolution. It's just the size of the asset. Interesting. Okay, okay. We're learning. We're learning. Welcome to stream Nori. Thanks for coming your 12th horse of the month. I can just move him like up here. You guys be like, you guys can just like pretend you don't see the tiny Baldi dancing in the corner, and then on Unity he'll just be like dancing on a sphere as normal. You see him up here. Minori, 69% say so. Oh my, that's two 69s in a row. Holy shit. What a fucking rare event. Anthony, can you read the previous comment? Alright, let me see. Someone got the Golden Horse's side eye. That was been so fast and cool and funny and hot. Oop, oop. Straight I'm straight up jungling my G-nuts through my jorts. That's what you want me to read? You want me to see that you're jungling your G-nuts through your jorts? That's such legendary pulls, 69% every time. Minori, we will not forget this. We will not forget your legendary efforts. Okay. Um, let's see if we can figure this out. No, not really figure it out, I guess. Do 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 do. We have the second window of OBS that we couldn't close. Get rid of it, please. Task manager, kill it. Oh shit, which one is it? Oh god. Y'all wanna play fucking coin flip? Let's take a look at this. We got two OBSs. I'm I'm pretty sure the one that's doing the stream is the one with the higher GPU load and more tasks running. This one is probably the one that's not being used, right? Do we? If I hit end task right here and stream ends, I'm gonna be pissed. Okay. What are you guys saying now? CCO, say so, zay so, zay zhao, sugmastats, aso. Alright, y'all. I need to close the second instance of OBS just to see what happens. But if it closes the other one, stream will probably end, and I probably don't want to boot stream back up. I'm gonna be pissed. We're gonna try it. No, it's been an honor. If this ends stream, I'm so sorry. Oh, oh. Okay, it's still working. No, we're still here. We're still here. We're still here. Oh, welcome to. Oh yeah. Also, thank you, BMD King, for claiming your second horse of the month. Thank you for supporting the stream and showing up. No, we're not ending stream. What do you mean? What the fuck? My weekly reset? You already did it, right? Alright, someone's at my door. I'll be right back. Alright, something came up. I'll be gone for like 2 minutes. I'll be right back.
Hello, stream. It's me, Anthony, here to keep you entertained. Free weekly horses for all. Free daily horses for all. I will cut the Moan Redeem in half.
Oh, I'm back. Alright. It's crazy how the human mind works, you know. I could be having a conversation with my mom about how I need to take out the trash. I'll be like, yeah, I'll take it out. I'll be standing next to the trash can. I'll be like, yep, it's time to take out the trash. And then like, I don't know, I blink my eyes and I'm upstairs streaming and I didn't take out the trash. Like, how did that, I don't know how that happened. Alright, let's see what's been going down. I was around 30 hours left, now it's back to 111. Are you serious? Let me check the logs. I'll check in a second. Also, thank you, Minori, for claiming your sad morning horse, the comedy mourner horse. Congratulations on getting that. He ain't coming back. I'm right here. We're the streamer now. Gotta rake the you gotta rake the leaves or something. No, no. If it was something longer, I would have probably ended stream or told you guys. Wouldn't it be really funny if Zane put me interested in the Discord? What do you mean free horses? Wait, what happened? Were you guys in the Discord just now? Like before I came back? Don't check the logs, trust? Hold on, we gotta do some detective work right now. I heard some promises of free horses and lowering the moan redeem. I don't believe you. Server settings. Where's the audit log? Audit log. I don't see anything. Huh. Alright, you guys are on some thin ice. Alright, whatever. Back to work, back to work. What do you mean, no? Oh, you're just typing it in Twitch chat. Okay, that's what you meant. I thought you meant you fucking pulled him into the call while I was gone. Okay, so let's try this. We'll hear you say, "Hey guys, it's me, Anthony. While horses will be free and moans back on the table." Just because things are said doesn't mean they're true. Like we have the ability to like take back our words or lie. Check the VOD? Nah, I'm not checking shit. We're deleting this VOD as soon as we're done. Check the VOD? Hell no. Okay, we need to go back to OBS right here. What did it say to do? We're at a second. In settings, general, enable studio mode. File, settings, general, and perfect. You got another fucking. Congratulations on getting your third horse of the day. Oh shit, cancel. Settings. Tristan, congratulations on claiming your 7th horse of the month. Well, welcome, welcome. What about studio mode? Enable like, transition scene when double clicked. Enable portrait. Wait, what is this telling me to even try? Um, Run a second instance of OBS. Enable in settings. General. Enable studio mode. Launch OBS as a new instance. I think it might be making stuff up. Whatever. Aki's Roblox avatar? Yeah, yeah. The four-legged creature. Hey, Tristan, congratulations on claiming your weekly special horse. When do we get in the Roblox stream? We've done a few Roblox streams actually, but I don't know. I'm not super in love with the Roblox, not gonna lie. It kind of feels like there's a lot of time spent looking for stuff as opposed to just playing stuff. Ugh, okay. I'm kind of done with this shit. I'm mad at everything breaking down today. But no, we must persevere. If we don't persevere, nothing will get done. How have my frames been? Stats. I'm at 4% drop frames. Connection might be better now then. Maybe we can keep going. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Best practice: use a separate scene to manage NDI output. Nesting is powerful but flexible, and flexible it lets you avoid toggling visibility, which breaks NDI rendering. Um, I mean, it makes sense in my head if I have another scene, but can I even like make that work? Let's try launching another instance of OBS again. Wait. Uh, if there's a special way to do it, I should probably figure that out though. Settings. They haven't frozen in a while. Okay, thank you, thank you. I don't believe in jinxing. I'm brave. If it breaks, it breaks. Um, advanced settings maybe? Does OBS support multiple instances like normally? I guess I'm just gonna figure it out. OBS multiple instances. Bum, ba, bum, 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 ba, bum. 3-minute tutorial. Oh baby, I love these. Skip, 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 skip. When does this get good? Um, Actually, if I can just like, let's just try opening another instance again, see what that does. Launch anyways. There's our second instance of OBS. Put it on this thing into the void. Delete this. No, let's just ignore this one. Put a. Let's find another picture. Open. Bum 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 ba dum bum ba dum bum ba dum ba da da dum bum 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 ba dum. If I get a third golden horse, then I get a third golden horse. Alright, here's what we can show. Browser, source, duck. It's not showing it. It's just the darkness, the darkness. What if I click on this? He's still there. Why doesn't it show in my second instance? What if I make a new scene? Oh, I don't understand. Do 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 do. Actually, would this have worked on this one? I don't even know if this works. Yeah, it does work. Yeah, it just doesn't work on other thing. Do do do. It's hard to keep track of how long I've been streaming when stream crashes 3 times. Ugh. I guess about 2 hours. No, a little bit less than 2 hours. Oh, Surely there's another way to do this. Like, it's annoying that you can move things around in OBS and not be able to see them. Can I just have like a bigger display that only streams the middle of it? Show the source, not your stream. Yes. This shit is ass. What is this showing here? This is my streaming overlay, but all the things are hidden. I guess it's because they're already being rendered on the other one? Probably. But some of these are still showing. I guess local files and monitor capture work fine. Let's hide that for now. Welcome to Stream Sharp02. Thanks for coming your third horse of the month. You've currently come at a great time. My internet shitting itself and everything is broken. And we got Baldi from Baldi's Basics on screen. Look at him. It was meant to be. You got the Barbie horse, Barbie horse. If y'all haven't seen Barbie Life in the Dream House, it's a banger. Give it a watch. Don't beat the runoff because it's Barbie. It's good. Is the music over? It is over. Let's listen to some Insane in the Rain. Watch it on stream? I don't know if I'm allowed to do that. It might get in trouble with copyright. Do 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 do. Ooh. Yeah, I'm tired of seeing Baldi dance. Let's move him away for now. Turn him around. Now we got Prunzel on screen. Brother said, "Don't beat the runoff." When did I say that? Don't beat the runoff? What does that mean? Do 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 do. I'm not showing this right now, but right now I'm just talking to ChatGPT about fucking OBS and shit, because this shit it's suggesting is not working. I think you misheard me, Andrew. I have no idea what you're talking about. I can't use a separate scene to manage my NDI sources because if I'm using a separate scene, I'm not streaming my stream scene, right? Uh, do 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 do. In OBS, a scene does not have to be the currently active one to render, as long as it's nested into another visible scene. What does that mean? If you nest a separate scene, like NDI source scene, into your main scene, then the nested scene continues to render even though it's not the active scene. What the heck is a nested scene? Alright, let's look at OBS. I did not mean to do that. You can put a scene in a scene. That's what it sounds like it's describing, but I'm trying to figure this out. If you move the nested scene off screen or crop it down, it won't be visible. I'll say, what is a nested scene? I will hope that helps at the end. It is what it sounds like. Let's see. In OBS, go to the main streaming scene, click the plus button in the sources list, choose scene from the list, select the scene you want to nest. Now, wait, what? Click the plus button in the sources list. What the fuck? An overlay scene that you use on all of your scene, so the overlay is in the nested scene. You straight up can't just add a scene as a source. What is that? How does that work? Well, there it is. There's Baldi. Can I hide this? Okay, let's hide this. Let's turn around in Unity. There's Baldi. Look at him go. He's not dancing right now. We hide. Show this. Now he is dancing. I should probably use nested scenes for my overlay, but it's a bit late for that. So I guess I can move the entire nested scene off screen. And then he'll still be dancing, but that's basically what I had before. But I guess now am I able to just edit this? Now the screen is black and it's just Baldi dancing, right? This doesn't solve my problem, does it? Oh, what the fuck? What? Everything's broke. Wait, where'd my overlay go? Why did everything just break? That's troublesome. My other instance of OBS just stole everything. Awesome. Alright. Killing this one. If this button ever works. Alright, I guess not. Now, why can't, if you have two instances of OBS, why can't you close it? Wait, it's back up. Why can't you close it with the X button? You have to use Task Manager and end the task and figure out which one's which based on the number of things running. It is so ass. Give me some of that. And NDI sources are so annoying to work with. Why do I have to use OBS to do this? Is there another program I can use? Wait, no, but OBS is so convenient because I can use OBS sources. Oh, God. If I can seamlessly run multiple instances of OBS, this would work really well, but it doesn't seem to want to work. OBS is so nice. OBS is nice except for when it's not. When it's being mean to you, it's being really mean. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Whoa. Do 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 do. Should I just take a break from this? I'm getting frustrated. Turn OBS with a gun, see if it continues to act up. You might be onto something. Not something good, something bullshit. I have a ping somewhere on Discord, and the inbox is not telling me where it is. It's so over. There we go. I'll bring the gun. Ugh. That's what you do. Use the overlay scene on all of your scenes. Okay, I get that for the nested scene, but is there like, am I able to edit the nested scene without like showing what I'm doing to it? Like, here's my nested scene. It's just wait, where's it going to go? I was over there. It's just Baldy dancing in the middle of the screen. Okay, I can move this off screen if I need to. Like, I don't want this nested scene to be showing because it's supposed to be an NDI source. There is a way. Do you know? There is a way. I did not know the way. Well, fuck. Okay, back to square one. All right, I'll keep researching. Oh, that's the wrong window. That man's jamming on the violin though. Just hide the nested, but if you hide it, well, the problem is, I'll show it again. Let's get it back on screen. Currently my nested source, my nested scene is just this Baldy dancing in the middle of the screen. Goodbye, Sharp02. Thanks for dropping by. Appreciate you just for being here. Thanks for claiming your daily horse as well. Yeah, the problem is my nested scene is just Baldy dancing in the middle of the screen, which is sending this texture. Actually, let me move him over a little bit. It's sending its texture from OBS to Unity, so I see Baldy dancing in Unity. If I hide the nested scene, it stops rendering the texture, the video source to be sent to the texture, so he stops dancing. If I don't have it hidden and I can move it off screen, it's still being rendered, it's just not being shown on screen because it's off screen. It'll still be dancing in Unity, but now that it's off screen in OBS, I can't edit it anymore because I can't see it. I want to be able to see it and edit it without it being seen on on stream. Yeah, that's the problem of the day. Let's get some more music in here. It's a whole lot of words. Basically, it don't work. It kind of work, but it don't work. I mean, I could just like have them on screen really tiny and just like if I need to mess with them, do whatever I need to do. That's really jank. I'm trying to make this less jank. That's the whole point of making a new overlay. Shit's broken. I get that. I feel that. Yeah, word. That's Baldi's making me feel bad. We're gonna move away. Do 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 do. Maybe I should take a break from this instead of uh, why specifically do you need it in OBS? So OBS has a plugin. Let me turn this down so I can think a little better. Just a little wee bit. OBS has this plugin. Let me see if I can find it. OBS on stream. Oh god. Anyways, tools, distro AV NDI. This is the plugin that I'm talking about. I'm able to basically turn sources in OBS into NDIs, which I don't exactly know what that means, but for my use case, it means that I can make something from OBS be sent over to Unity. I have this NDI texture manager. it'll take these things, the NDI name, which is from OBS. These are all sources from OBS, and it can turn them into textures in Unity, which is why I have my stream in Unity. That's my monitor capture. This is a browser capture on just Baldi dancing. But they need to be rendered from they need to be rendered in OBS. At least with this way I'm doing it. I'm sure there's ways to do it using other programs, but if it's in OBS, it's like a tool that I'm familiar with that I know how to like modify and all that. But yeah, I don't know if there's a way to be able to modify them without showing it on stream. It's not the biggest deal in the world, really. Like, it doesn't stop things from working. It just makes it like feel more jank, which is kind of what I'm trying to make the jank go away and remaking all these things. It's whatever. I kind of want to take a mental break from this. I'm gonna try to work on the chat instead. Let's see. Where's the script for this? Actually, wait. Let me make sure this is fine. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. My question is more like, why use the dance in OBS as opposed to using it directly in Unity? Oh yeah, the dance was just like, it's an example texture that I found online, or a GIF that I was looking at. I just was looking for something that's animated, so I can tell that it's actually being updated through OBS. Because realistically, more what I would be sending into Unity would be uh, like game capture sources, or like stream avatars, or I don't know, my monitor capture, like what's happening over there. Like this over here, this is just like what my middle monitor is seeing. Yeah, like this is just a browser source. Like, I could also do like a Fugi, for example. I could send the Fugi into Unity and just have that like be talking in the corner of the overlay. But alas, I don't know what I'm doing. I gotta figure it out over time. All right. Let's see. Last time we tried working on the chat, we couldn't connect to my own chat. I don't really know why. Oh, it's because the tutorial we followed was like fucking incomplete or some shit. All right. Next order of business, we gotta find a new tutorial. Oh god. Uh. Oh shit, that's flashing imagery. Don't look at that. Let's see. Unity, Twitch chat, integration. What do we got here? Hello? Alright, fine. Everything I think of needs an extra instance of OBS, and I'm still not sure if that'd work. That's what I was thinking too, but like even ChatGPT said, yeah, just make another instance of OBS. And I tried that, and then I couldn't figure out why it wasn't working. There might be some settings that make it more streamlined to use multiple instances of OBS, but that's like a bunch of research I'll have to do off stream to see if it works. Oh, there's so many steps involved. So we're just gonna figure that out some other time. I'm getting frustrated with it. Look for the most recent tutorial. Unity plus Twitch chat. Alright. 2 hours long. Okay. I love the music. We're gonna have to pause it though. Oh baby. Okay. What do you got here? I'm skipping. I'm skipping. I just want to see what he makes with this. What do you got? What do you got for me? Very long username goes here. Awesome. If this is like an example of just like Twitch chat showing up in Unity, that'd be like probably what I'm looking for. Wow. Okay, he's making something more specific to his stream. It's weird that like this specific use case, it doesn't seem that specific just to put chat in the Unity, but I've only seen one video showing how to do it, and he didn't even show the whole thing. Overlay. Awesome. Twitch integration with Unity. Ooh. Wow. This is more specifically commands, but I guess it's still like a similar thing. Stream writers. Okay. So he's not going to be displaying Twitch chat, but needs to be like receiving it in Unity and um, I guess getting parts of chat into the game. I don't understand this authentication stuff. Oh yeah, also that fuck ass tutorial we used last time was like, yeah, get your OAuth thing from this link, and I click on the link and the link's dead. God damn. Twitch apps. Oh, it's the same link. It's fucking uh it brings you to a different website now. I don't know, its website's different. It has like more information. I don't really understand how to look through it. Well, let's skip that for now. What about going more broad, like a browser in Unity, since chat is a browser source? I could just do that, yeah. Like, I could even just like fucking like if I wanted to, just like have an OBS source that's just chat arena and then put that into Unity. That's like the jank version, I guess. If I wanted more control of how chat looked like, I'd put it in Unity like as like the IRC chat room it is. But if I just need it to work, I could just copy a source or browser source too. But I would like to know how this works so I can have like more freedom with it. That's the whole point of all this stuff. Like, um, if I'm just gonna make it a source anyways, I could just like it's already a source right now, how it is right now, if we're using what is it, Stream Elements. Actually, might as well try that if we're just gonna say fuck it, make it work how it already works. Let's see, where do I have chat? Is it Stream Effects? It is chat properties. No, 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 not properties. Filters, add filter, NDI chat, NDI chat, apply changes. We can just go to Unity now and be like, oh ho, I'm lazy, and um, I guess we'll fucking go to the NDI texture manager, add a component, NDI receiver, select NDI chat, target texture, they had to make one. Let's just copy and paste this one. Oh, it's so quiet. I need music. I'm gonna go crazy. Doo-doo. Depends what you want out of the project. Yeah, like I'd prefer it built into Unity. Just have like more like as much control as possible. Because like, what if I want to like make chat have a different shape? Make it like uh like swirl around or something like that. Make the words fall off the screen, stuff like that. Like that'd be really fun to control. Can't do that through just the Stream Element itself. But if we're just getting it on the overlay, we might as well have something so we can say we made progress and like upgrade it from there later. What was I doing? We'll call this NDI chat. Do 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 do. Alright, so we'll apply this texture to the material. I think that's how it works. Apply. Okay, here, select chat. And now we go to the manager, apply the texture to the chat. And now if we create an object, let's go with a 3D object. Let's go with this. Let's go with the fucking capsule. Yeah, something unique. Now apply chat to it. That looks odd. Is it supposed to be just black? I guess I should have. Okay, let's see. Properties. No. Filters. I remember seeing that there was a setting for like alpha values. Is that in Unity or in OBS? Let's fucking be like. If I do that, is that gonna show up here? Oh, look, it's me! That's awesome. It's a lot smaller than I thought it'd be. Can I make this transparent? I guess we might as well learn transparency right now. Oh my god, hi Unity. That's awesome. Wait, oh yeah, I guess if I do use just the OBS source, I keep the 7TV emotes, which is kind of nice. I think that this Unity thing I'm using uh doesn't support 7TV, so that's something I have to figure out if I want to have as much freedom as I want. Take baby steps. We'll take baby steps. Get some music in here. Ooh, Mad Mew Mew. Okay, let's see. What's next? What's next? Is the NDI manager? Let's see. Target texture. I guess it's already expecting a texture to have the information we're looking for. DMG something for quick Google. Let me see. Unity Twitch chat. I might have seen this. Is this what I'm using? Honestly, I don't remember off the top of my head. Uh, I think this is what I'm already using. But actually, is it? I forget. Oh, no. Wait. I've seen this page before. I don't think I actually implemented it though. Anonymous login without OAuth. Oh, wait, you don't need an OAuth? What the fuck? Welcome back, Zane. Look, Zane, you're in Unity. There's Twitch chat on the capsule I made. You had a lazy meal, but not as bad as an Anthony sandwich. What did you make, Zane? It's you. It's you. I should look again at how much I used this thing, this Unity Twitch chat thing. Actually, I don't remember how far I took it. Connect, disconnect, send chat messages, join channel, leave channel, ping. What's in my script? Ping. Do 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 do. I put dino nuggies in the air fryer, then put them on bread with a slice of cheese and ranch. That does sound like a I threw together what I had kind of meal, but hey, it gets the job done, right? Okay, let me look at this Unity Twitch setting more. Why do I have so many single tabs of my browser that don't do anything? Yeah, it doesn't support 7TV. That's how I recognized it. I was like, oh yeah, I remember seeing this. This says it doesn't support it. But other things support 7TV, so there must be some way to make it work. The heat from the nuggies melts the cheese? True! Just like how the heat from my toast melts the cheese. It's the same thing. No, it doesn't. Why are you hating on my Anthony sandwich? Window package manager, click the top button. Did I add this yet? I feel like I did. Window package manager. Add package from Git URL. This one. What did that do? Search projects, I guess. This was... No? Come on now. Install. Something came up briefly. I didn't really see what it said. What am I doing? Unity does a good job of making me feel like I don't know what I'm doing. By name, Unity Twitch chat, is that what it was? Is it case sensitive? It's gone! Come on now. Hey, welcome to stream, Jacob. Thanks for coming your 12th horse of the month. There's just the install. It's not a search option, just install. Wait, it doesn't say it failed when I did the link. Does that mean it worked? Package manager, my assets. Oh, look at all these things I haven't used in a long time. Hey, the horse, what is this? Do 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 do. Supported features, reading and sending chat messages, unsupported limitations. In the inspector, set your Twitch details. Inspector. I would have to add it to something, right? I don't really understand how to look through this project package manager. It's so feels messy. Like, where's my confirmation that what I just did worked when I did install from URL? Uh, if it's here, it'd be right here, right? Unity, Twitch. I don't see it. Last refreshed today. Not this one. This is the that's for the NDI stuff. Unity package manager. Refresh list. Services. It's refreshed. Where's my thing? All right. Let's see what we can find by looking things up. My music. Need more music. So the package manager. Try to install via link. And how do I know if it worked? Open the package manager in the dropdown. Make sure it says the My Registries or Unity registry in project, depending on what you're installing. This thing is so small. Can I zoom in on this window? Okay. Unity's package manager does not support question mark path equals parameters. It expects package.json. Um, Add package from get URL. I'm not so sure this is gonna work, but I'm just gonna try it. Did that do something? I don't. I can't tell if that did something. Come on now. updates. Alright, I'll fiddle with this for like 15 more minutes, then I gotta fucking take a break to get food. Why is it not like a fucking, shouldn't there be like a history thing that shows like if what I did worked, here's where I would see it? Um, Package manager list. Under what? Version history, dependencies, that's for Clack. So packages Unity, I'm guessing that's like stuff that's built in already, right? Is the packages Unity list just stuff that's already built in? How old is this package? Or this here? This is 9 months ago, so not even that old. Let's see, okay. What you see in the package manager depends on the filter at the top left. What's in the top left? Sort by name. Awesome. Filters, grayed out. Awesome. Unity registry in project, my assets, my registries. Yeah. If you add a Git-based project successfully, it does show up under in project once installed. In project. Okay, that's where I am. If you add okay. I'm guessing it would show up as its own package, because not under one of these. Wait, maybe not. Add package from Git URL. Copy and paste the following URL by clicking add. Very briefly, something shows up on the inspector. Maybe I can try to see what it says. It just says installing. Where is it? Ready to claim your weekly horse. Let's go, guy. Oh, why doesn't this shit work? Why doesn't it work? I feel like the installing the package part of the Unity project is not supposed to be one of the difficult points where things just don't work. What's happening? Congratulations, guy, on getting your weekly horse. You got a green horse. Let's fucking go. Green means go is an old running joke of our community. I think it's probably like the first running joke we had. What is wrong with this? Man, I just want to lay down and sleep. Why does this shit not work? In project. Alright, let's just fucking talk to ChatGPT like I'm a fucking baby. I see this, I see that. What am I supposed to see? In the In project tab, did I end up doing a plushie reveal? I don't think so. Unless I missed the redeem. I don't think anyone redeemed the plushie reveal. Did you redeem a plushie reveal and I missed it? I don't think so. Let me look for it. Oh, you did. My bad, my bad. 2 hours ago. Oh, that's on me. My bad. I don't know how I missed that. I think I was just locked into whatever I was doing. Here, let me find a plushie for you, guy. Oh, this one's great. Here comes your plushie reveal, guy. Oh, actually, I probably missed it because I stream kept restarting and I couldn't tell what was happening. Yeah. So, fair warning to everyone: if you are afraid of seeing Anthony's face, the webcam's coming on, so I can do the plushie reveal. Here we go. There you go, guy. Here's your plushie reveal for today. It is the three-headed fish from Dredge. I actually haven't played Dredge yet, but it looks like a pretty cool game. There's a picture of a boat from Dredge. There's the name of the game, Dredge. The three-headed cod. It is I really want to play the game now that I've got this plushie because I have no idea under what circumstances could you justify the existence of a fish with three heads. But it's awesome and I love this plush. You can hold it like a gun. Stick him up. Yeah. I just thought it was so cute. I don't impulse buy plushies that often. Like, and if I do, it's usually gonna be to support an indie dev. But I saw this one, I was like, dude, I have no idea what this game's about, but I want this three-headed fish so bad. So yeah, this is your plushie reveal for today. Support indie devs. Check out Dredge. I'll check it out sometime too. Nay. Alright. Yeah, thank you for redeeming your plushie reveal for today, guy. Oh, ooh, it's still alive. It's trying to escape me. Let's send it flying. Send it back to the ocean. Wait, do cod live? No, they live in freshwater. Anyways, back to this. All right. Well, if I can't figure this out within like the next 8 minutes, I'm gonna give up. We're gonna keep asking ChatGPT why it's not showing up in our package manager. Under in project, we should see the package. Will Grok Twitter AI work better? I am skeptical of that. I think Grok lacks a lot of context of what I'm working on. I have been asking ChatGPT for a long time about my projects, so it understand more what I'm talking about. Ooh. ChatGPT's been getting a lot better at context-based questions. See, two drop downs. Let's see. All right, let's see what this says. If your Git package does not show up under any dropdown, it most likely incorrect URL, no valid package, Unity version incompatibility. Shouldn't it tell me if there's an issue? Unity will tell you there's an issue with the package installation, but it won't always be super obvious unless you know where to look. Check the console. The console? Um, no Git executable was found. Oh my god, I didn't realize it goes into the console. Why didn't it just tell me immediately to look there? God. Alright, let's clear the console. Let's try the installation again, see what it tells us. What the fuck just happened? Stop. Okay, I'm gonna copy the error message. Ooh, I'm so frustrated by this. This one. I'll get out of here. Install. Can I copy this error? Unable to add package. Okay, Git is not installed or not detected. Wait, what? I have to install Git? Oh my god. I swear. Oh, it's fucking okay. It's because when I upgraded my PC a few months back, I never installed Git after that. Well, all right. Time to do this. Will I have to restart my PC for this? If I have to restart my PC, I'm just gonna end the stream. Oh god. Download for Windows. Do do do. Do do do. I love installing things. Yippee. There's so many things it's asking me about. I'm just gonna hit default, default, default. Install faster. I'm so impatient. Oh god, I should have done this shit last night. Ugh. But there's so many things to do. The work is never done. You know, at least today we put chat on a capsule in game. There you are. Gonna raid out? Probably not, cause I mean, assuming my internet's fine, I'm just gonna start up stream again in like an hour. It's almost 1, and we're gonna do Sunday Scaries in like an hour. It'd be kind of weird to raid out, like, and then go back live like super soon. Do 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 do. Now, let me check my frames. How's it been recently? Okay, drop frames has gone down significantly since the earlier issues. Okay, now we have to check if Git is installed. Open up a command prompt. CMD. Alright, it's installed. Now, do the same thing again. Oh, why couldn't we have done this an hour ago? Shit, which one was it? This one. What the fuck? I don't know what that did. Install. Error. Oh, I have to restart Unity, that's right. No, save. It was exit. Oh shit. What is bro cooking? Hey, welcome back to Stream Q. It's been a long time. We're finally trying to make. Why is it? There we go. Trying to find. Oh, did I make that in the fucking scene? I did. We're trying to make a new overlay. We still have the Little Big Planet overlay around the stream, but I want to have more control over my overlay, so we're trying to remake it in Unity. We've been running into a lot of troubles because a variety of reasons. Making a Twitch chat work is really aids, and getting OBS sources in game, while it works, it's kind of hard to like edit them while you work on them. But baby steps, baby steps. Ooh, my music, come back. Unity seems like it'd be use less CPU and GPU and stuff. Probably, yeah, if I optimize it well. Though I did upgrade my PC, so resource intensity or resource usage isn't a huge concern. What I want, actually, what I care about more is like my level of freedom and all that. I do have 128 gigabytes of RAM. That is, you have not forgotten about that story. Yeah, I'm not worried about resources right now. I'm more concerned about like how much control do I have over it? What kind of things can I do with the overlay? So if I restart Unity now, if I save, restart it. Why do I have 128 gigabytes of RAM? The story is when I upgraded my PC, yeah, I ordered too much. I wanted 64 gigs of RAM because like that's like more than I'll ever need, right? And then I was like, I'll just get uh I think I was like, okay, 64 gigs. I had to get fucking two sticks. Two sticks will be 32 each. I'll add the 64. I didn't understand how it worked. I ordered two sticks of 64, and I was like, well, I have it. Actually, no, was it two sticks 64? No, it was. Wait, how many sticks are in there? No, it was four sticks of 32. That's right. So yeah, I ended up getting twice as much RAM as I intended. I was like, I already have it. I might as well keep it. I was too lazy to return it. That's really the gist of it. Because welcome to Stream Lith. Yo yo yo, it's Fortnite Day. It's not Fortnite Day. Still no bot account mending heart? What does that mean? Guys, welcome to Stream Lith. Thank you for claiming your daily horse and your weekly horse. Thank you Q for claiming your daily horse as well. Your first of the month. Ooh. A lot has changed since the last time you were here, Q. We have a lot of horse business going on. You getting two sticks of 48? I didn't know they have 48. I thought there was only multiples of two. Or multiples, is that the word? I think so, yeah. No, not multiples. Two to the power or something, that's what it's called. I guess I don't know why they wouldn't have 48. I actually have no idea how this stuff works. What was I doing? I forgot. Oh, I'm restarting Unity, that's right. Um, this one. I think I just launched the wrong thing. Why is it launching both things? The only way I'm getting 2 times 48 is in Balatro. Let's fucking go. I still gotta play Balatro. Ooh, I watch my friends play it a lot. They're like, Anthony, you touch this game, you're gonna get addicted to it. I'm like, oh, I can't get addicted to another game. I'm still playing Binding of Isaac every day. There's the overlay. Services, no window. He's talking in the music video. Like and subscribe. Okay. Today I tried modded Balatro and it's fucking awesome. Oh, let's fucking go. What kind of mods they got? I've seen the Actually, I've seen some tweets of modded Balatro. Honestly, as someone who doesn't play the game, it's kind of hard to tell what's part of the game and what's a mod. It's all just ridiculous, like cards and shit, right? You tempted to buy another 2 times 48 just for the heck of it? What are you gonna use all that RAM for? I mean, what am I gonna use my RAM for? People were telling me when I got twice as much RAM as I intended, like, wow, you can host a whole VR chat party with high-res models or some shit. Cryptid plus misprint deck is fun to play. Unfortunately, I don't know what that means because I don't understand Balatro terms very well. It's a mod? I see, I see. Okay. Okay, Unity. Windows, Package Manager, install from Get URL. Do we have the URL still? We do. Install. What happened? The what? Please install Git on your system, then restart Unity and Unity Hub. I guess I didn't install Unity Hub. Is that the problem? Can you play without Me Enhanced Edition? What does that mean? Misprint deck randomizes all values and cards. Oh shit, I see, I see. I guess I should. I was thinking misprints like the fucking card was cut wrong. It's just like there's like a weirdly thick border. Okay, do we have to restart all this shit? I'll close this too. Oh, it's our tasks. We fixed this one. Other. I guess we did figure out individual sources, so we got something done today. You can get a voucher that adds 3.8 hands each round, for example. What is that? This is just this is what's it called? Spirit City Lo-Fi Sessions. It's just a nice background thing to have that like I used to keep track of tasks. Honestly, you don't need something like this, but it's fun to have. Without me enhancing. Oh, it's a song. Let's see. It's a very different vibe to what we're currently listening to. I'll play it after. What was I doing? That's right. I was restarting Unity. Alright. If we restart this and it still doesn't work, I have no idea what's wrong. We might just have to end up restarting fucking my computer, which means that we're not getting anything else done this stream if it's broken. Lilith is gone. Yeah, they haven't been around in a while, but that's okay. People find things they like to watch and they move on. That's just how it goes, right? Package manager. Lilithium. No, no, wrong, wrong. Add from URL. Paste. Okay, I don't know why it doesn't work. We'll figure this out another time. I guess that this blows balls. Damn. I did say that if we couldn't get this working by 1 o'clock at end stream, it is now 1:08. So I was sorry to the people who just got here. We're gonna go ahead and end stream it a little bit because I've been working on this and shit's not working and I'm frustrated. I need to take a break, get lunch, and we're gonna boot up stream later when we start Sunday Scaries. Um, Actually, do we still have the assets? No, wait, chat. Okay, let's replace the Baldi sphere with the chat sphere. Texture manager, chat. What were you trying to add? I was the two things we were doing. Well, first of all, was trying to get chat to work. Since the tutorial we were using wasn't like it didn't have all the information we needed. I tried going through a different thing, trying to install a package that had some tools for us, but we were having trouble installing it because of Git and all that stupid bullshit. The other thing we were working on was getting multiple sources from OBS onto the scene, which we did do, but it wouldn't show up on the actually no. Hey, I couldn't figure out a way to edit the sources without having them show up on the screen, which is like not what we want. We don't want to render that, but it is what it is. It's just gonna make it more jank to edit it, but it still works. Let's see, texture manager. Let's put this onto chat. There you go. Here's you guys. Let's rotate this around. Now we have chat on a ball. There you guys are. We'll have this be our ending note. Sackboy! Ooh. Alright. That's pretty much all for today. I'm gonna end stream because I want to take a break. I don't want to just leave stream on while I get lunch or something. And then next time you see me later today, I'll be doing Sunday Scaries with the Huz. I'm not sure what we're playing. We'll figure it out when it happens when we get there. Oh, your seventh song? You're right. I forgot. Yeah, for the one time. It's like 5 minutes long. Okay. Um, here you go. Enhanced edition. He looks like they put him in Photoshop and twisted him a little bit. He got stuck that way. You know what he looks like? There's that scene in SpongeBob where he like has the table polisher. He's like going polishing the table. Then he flips it around, polishes his own face. That's what SpongeBob looked like after that. Mid sneeze Eminem. Is this bars? Oh, we got lyrics. Okay. I'm not cooperating. Was that a fucking Minecraft zombie sound effect? It might be bars. Ew. Look, this is the kind of music you listen to. Now this looks like no and yes. Maybe. The bear is still feeling the penis. Seagulls fighting over the fries. Funny skeleton song. I feel like my brain's melting the longer I listen to this. Testing, below me. How did they come up with the fucking lyrics for this? Oh god, the slow zoom in so unsettling. You know, it's weird because it's not like fucking insulting to my ears. It actually is kind of fun to listen to, but it's so stupid. Moby Dick's 36-year-old. Aki, welcome to stream. You've caught the tail end of the stream. We're about to close it out as soon as we finish listening to this song. Oh. Oh. Wait, that actually is bars though. I was like, wait, they're actually rhyming. It actually kind of flows well, and then they fucking said that. Like, that doesn't make any sense. Thank you for your say-so check. Lith, you're looking very say-so today. Congratulations. Oh god, you're freaky today. I'm sure you're happy about that. You know, you do enough rolls, guy. Eventually, I'm sure you'll become freaky again. Me mocking you for wasting your whole life. You listen to this whole song. And all right, that was better than I expected. I'll give you some credit, Lith. That was pretty good. Oh, it's getting louder. I'm tired. I expect except Venmo and Ethereum. Uh, the best I can do is give you a daily horse. Not a bonus daily horse, just the same amount that anyone else gets. Alright, that's the end of our stream today. We're not going to raid out because we're probably going to go live again in not too long. Ooh. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all later. Probably when we do Sunday Spookies, Sunday Scaries. Alright, goodbye.